Welcome back to another episode of Finding Flanigan. Where am I today? I'm at NDSCS in Fargo. With me today is Dr. Anthony Rohr. Anthony is an admissions and outreach coordinator at the NDSCS-Fargo location. Each day, Anthony meets with prospective students to go over the many exciting program options available for them to study here at Fargo. Those students include high schoolers from the 25 awesome schools in Cass and Clay counties, area adults looking to change career paths, and new Americans who recently made their home in Fargo-Moorhead and are looking to contribute to the workforce. When he's not sharing the NDSCS story, Anthony's probably practicing new music for an upcoming singing gig. Anthony, thanks for joining me today. So what makes NDSCS Fargo so special?
Well, it's really great to have you today, Dr. Flanigan.
Thank you.
What makes NDSCS Fargo really special is that we have a really unique opportunity to meet the needs of the Fargo community. The things that they can pursue are opportunities to bridge the gap between where they're at today and what their career goals are tomorrow.
How would you describe a typical student in Fargo?
That's a great question. The students that we have here at NDSCS Fargo, they might be coming out of high school, but they might also be someone who is looking for a career change and they've been working in their career for a number of years already. And we function largely as a commuter school, so what they have the opportunity to do is come here in a way that meets their schedule demands. So I have so much more that I could tell you, Dr. Flanigan, but what I really want to do is show you. Let's go take a tour of our first-rate welding program.
Awesome. Thanks for showing me the welding lab. Here with us right now we have Mitchell Van Fleet and Casey Busco. They lead the welding program here in Fargo. So Mitch and Casey, tell us why the welding program in Fargo is so awesome. Tell us about the program partnerships you have and tell us about the program, what's happening here.
Well, our program's pretty fun just because we're able to get a lot of one-on-one time with the students due to our class sizes. Nice. We're able to give them a very solid foundation of the overall welding processes and knowledge. That way they can come out of here feeling really secure in what they know and where they're going in the industry.
Our partners are a big part of our class up here. They provide us steel, they provide us information on what they need for their employees, and sometimes they send employees up for upgrading.
Well, Dr. Flanigan, that was really awesome to show you that welding lab. Now, I'd like to show you our IT program.
Perfect. Thank you, Anthony, for bringing us down to this area. Right now, we're with John Crocius. John leads our computer science department. And today, John, I'd like to have you share with us all of the good things happening in computer science, what you're working on, and what makes this program unique in the area.
Well, we're working on, we've got a lot of different programs. We've got, networking we can work in. We've got system administration. We've got cybersecurity, data analysis, and artificial intelligence. That's one thing about computer science is it's always changing. Some of the things that the students need to recognize and be ready for, they need to be good problem solvers. They need to be self-motivated learners. They have to be ready to learn new things. They have to be ready to work in a collaborative environment and a diverse environment because we really need all those solutions working together to kind of work out our computer systems. We've got high school students, we've got college-age students, we've got older than average students. I've got students coming back who are working in industry but they need to upskill. I've got students coming back from a different environment and then adding some computer science. I've got military service members, veterans, so I've got quite a variety of students who are interested in the program.
Well, thanks again, John. Dr. Flanigan, next I have to show you is our nursing department.
What's my line?
Let me move my schedule around.
4 takes, 5 takes.
I'm not acting, this is real, this is raw.